Okay, let's get you breaking news that's coming in right now. Sources telling us that a meeting has been called to select the next Chief Election Commissioner. This meeting will be held in 3 days from now on February 17th. And remember that the panel which chooses the CEC includes Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It includes the Leader of Opposition as well. So you will have Prime Minister Modi, the Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi, the Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, all coming together as a part of the selection committee meeting to go ahead and choose a name. Remember that the current Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar's term is coming to an end, so the process officially kicking off to choose the next Chief Election Commissioner. Let's bring in Nalini for more details, our legal editor. Nalini, take us through really what's the process to appoint a new CEC.
Well, Akshita, interestingly enough, the process itself is in question before the Supreme Court because the law that was brought in place by the central government for the appointment of the election commissioners, in which they had replaced in the selection committee the Chief Justice of India with a union law minister that is to be nominated by the Prime Minister, was challenged before the Supreme Court. So the schedule is going to be like this. On the 17th of February is when we're expecting for the meeting of the selection committee, which will include the Prime Minister, the Leader of the Opposition Rahul Gandhi, along with the Union Minister Arjun Kumar Meghwal, who has been nominated by the Prime Minister to be part of the select committee. On 18th February, a day after that, is when the current incumbent, Rajiv Kumar, is retiring. So it's expected that in the meeting on the 17th of February, there can be a name that can be finalized, considering the fact that the central government has 2 of the 3 votes of the select committee. And on the 19th of February is when we are expecting for this matter to be brought up before the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court is going to consider the law that was brought in that replaced the Chief Justice of India with the Union Law Minister, because it's been alleged that the entire power essentially lies with the central government regarding the appointments by making this move. So it's going to be an interesting 3 days, and it remains to be seen what happens, who are the top contenders and who the committee finally decides on the appointment regarding the post of the Chief Election Commissioner in India.
All right, Nalini, thanks for those details. February 17th is that meeting, and we will track the updates that come in very, very closely.